There you go.
Just disappeared.
Nice, Quinn. Keep doing that. There's sometimes they're in those things. Big ones too. Just like tuck in there. Whatever is eating.
That was not bad.
There you go.
Oh, I came off. Why'd he come out, bro?
Good hook set though.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I had him, dude. I had him. Took my bait.
Kind of looked like a catfish when it hit Quinn's. I'm not
It
kidding.
wasn't a catfish.
I know, but like it was so white. All I know is I saw it and it was at least
Big fish, yeah.
4. It was this, I saw this much of it, so it can't be too small.
That was a big fish.
Slam it. Reel.
Work hard you can.
Keep reeling. Is that a bass?
It might be your PB. Keep reeling.
Keep reeling. Keep going.
Keep reeling as hard as you can.
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going.
Here, watch out.
Okay, I gotta go.
Oh, that's a big
Keep
one.
reeling.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Oh my gosh.
Stop. Give me 5.
Dude, that's a big one. Holy crap.
That's my PB probably.
Oh, good one.
Good job, boy. You know how to do it?
How do you open it?
This one's too hard.
Oh crap. Think so. Yeah, big one. Yep,
Good one.
big one. Big one, big one, big one. Move, move, move.
Tangled in here.
Get him. Pick him up.
I got him.
How big is that?
5. That's 5.
Water bugs. They are. Wait. No, they're not. Just a whole bunch of carp down there making air bubbles.
You see your thing sitting
Big one?
there.
Yeah. Big one.
Maybe.
Keep reeling. Real fast.
Keep reeling.
Yeah, he's good. That's like a 3.
Reel up to him.
That's a 3.
You did not hook him very
what? It won't hurt. Right. Oh, just throw him. Just throw him, Quinn. You
Got
don't
him.
take a hook. Real smart.
Reel faster.
That's you. Harder.
Faster. Here, reel him. Reel. Reel him up. He's gonna fight. Boom. Terrible hook set.
I've noticed you haven't been in Traverse City in a while.
Nah.
Nah, he's good, I think. Good. You wanna put him in?
Watch out, I'm boat flipping him. Skinny, we're putting. Oh. Yep. He's running. He's decent.
Good one? Yep.
He's
nice
decent.
One. It's not bad.
Not the one that hit yours, but like
Good.
3.
Bad.
Why'd he hit it so hard?
You hit it when you're living.
We can put